All right, today's video we have the CZ P-09 Duty, and as any other, we're going to make it safe, remove the magazine, lock the slide to the rear, check for daylight, check with your finger, make sure it's empty, and it is empty. So the first thing to do is you want to half cock just a hair. You pull it back a little, it'll stay put. And then you're going to slide the slide back just a hair, right, till it bumps against. And the way I do that is because you want to do it from this side, you're going to need to poke that pin out. So I'll do it from the other side, and it's not going to come out easy. There we go. All right, then we flip it over. If you're going to use a tool to do this, use something plastic. All right. We're going to remove the slide. Recoil spring with the barrel. If you just lift up the barrel a little bit, slide it forward, and it'll slide right out the top, like so. Okay. From this point, when we do our cleaning, I'm going to spray and put it to the side. Spray the top of the barrel. Whoop, get my brush. Just scrape that up a little bit. And I'm a fan of bore snake. We're going to take our bore snake, run that through. One. 2 times should be a plenty. Grab yourself a cotton cloth and wipe down the barrel. Take your brush, take your slide, break any carbon up that might be in there. Take a cloth. This is when it's good to get all these cracks and crevices, to have the dental tools. You can see them in the description below if you need to pick some up from Amazon. Make sure you get the rails. This gun's a little different. The rails are on the side here instead of on the inside. Makes it a little bit easier, actually. Clean that out. Okay. All right, when we go to lubricate this, you want to lubricate basically where metal touches metal. Sometimes I'll do where plastic touches metal, it just all depends. You don't need a ton of oil. Just a light coat is usually sufficient. Okay. When we go to put this back together, opposite the way it came apart. Okay, we're going to take the barrel, set it like so. The flattest part of the recoil spring goes towards the inside. So just put that in like so. Push it forward to slide it into place. Okay. Then we are going to slide it in the front. Go back to that same point that we did previously. And we're going to put the slide release back in. Lock it to the rear, lock it forward, take a little bit more oil, put it on the top. Again, where metal touches metal. Rack it a few times. And if you've seen my other videos, you know that I am a fan of, if this is gonna go back in the safe or go to a client, I'll wipe it down with a silicone cloth. Make it look all nice and pretty. And I'm in Florida, so it helps with any rust as well. And there you have it. Very simple. The complete, or I shouldn't say complete, but a field strip, the CZ P-09 duty gun. If you liked the video, hit subscribe, click the bell at the top so you get notified when other videos come out. If you have any questions about this firearm, drop something in the comments, and I do answer every comment that gets submitted. So thanks for your time, train hard, and be safe.